Go to AnyDesk.com. Page will automatically detect your system and suggest you to download links. They are pretty obvious. Make sure you know version of your Linux and then choose package you need. Just like in those earlier videos. You haven't forget. After all, you are not a Pi or something. I haven't showed you before. But there is more than one way to install deb package. Using graphical user interface or GUI or GUI, or using terminal commands, CLI. I'll show you both ways. Keep watching the video and subscribe. It won't hurt you.
After all, you're not a Pi
or something. When orange ribbon becomes green, it means that installation was successful and AnyDesk is ready to use. You will also notice that its icon will appear next to Notification Center on the panel. And voila! Now let's reinstall it using terminal, or command line. After uninstalling it, use this command to go to Downloads folder. Or right-click on File Manager which is showing deb package, and then open terminal. Run this command. When starting to type the name of the package, no need to type a whole file name, just a few first letters and then just press the Tab key. And even if there is only one file in a folder, like in my case, then you don't need to type anything after the command. Just press Tab and see magic happening. As you look at that mesmerizing command line output, showing you the process of installation, AnyDesk icon will again appear in the Notification Center. And voila! I've showed you in this video how to manually install AnyDesk. Or any deb package for that matter. And also how to press the Tab key. Now you can consider yourself more than just a beginner. Maybe an advanced beginner? In any case you are still, probably, just a Pi or something.